On your Bluetooth keyboard with the touchpad, go ahead and switch it to the on position like so. And then in order to get this into pairing mode, you do have to go ahead and hold the function key here and then press the letter C for connect. And then as you can see here, the pair light is flashing on the keyboard, which signals it is ready to be paired. Now let's head on over to our tablet. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pair it via Bluetooth. Now let's just pull down the section here and then click on this gear icon in the top right for settings. And then we are going to select Bluetooth like so. And then we should see that it does come up in the list of available devices. This one comes up as Bluetooth keyboard. So let's go ahead and click on that. And as you can see here, it is ready to send the pair request. So let's go ahead and click on pair. And just like that, it should be connected now. Let's go ahead and test it out just to make sure. So let's go ahead and click on the search bar here and let us type something on the keyboard. Sorry, the view here is the focus here is kind of out. So let me just do it this way. So we got the search bar here. Let's go ahead and type something. Hello world. There you go. Now the big part, does the touchpad work? Let's find out. Yes, it does. As you can see, I'm going in the circle here. Let's go to the right, go to the left, up, down. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. And that's basically how you can turn your tablet into, well, I guess a laptop. So let's just get this thing all set up properly here. Get the keyboard up like so. Let me just focus a little bit. And now we are good to go. Basically, we just turned our tablet here into a full-blown laptop. So that's how you do it.